Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to express my gratitude for giving me the opportunity to present Brain Initiative projects in Malaysia, which is in collaboration with SBMT USA. My name is Professor Dr. Zamzuri Idris from University of Science Malaysia. To start with, my country, Malaysia, is a dynamic country enjoying economic growth and political stability since 59 years ago with longer population lifespans. Our good health has contributed to the prosperity, social stability, and development in scientific research at all levels. Both fundamental and clinical research are increasing in numbers with more skillful personnel graduated locally and overseas. In 2014, SBMT Malaysia chapter has begun. The Memorandum of Understanding between SBMT and USN was signed by both parties. The aim is to collaborate in neuroscience research. The ceremony was held in conjunction with Neurosurgical Association annual scientific meeting and was witnessed by many local neuroscientists in Malaysia. Since then, Malaysia has officially involved and contributed scientific knowledge directly to the SBMT through its annual conference where scientific findings and ideas are discussed and shared together. Our ideas are research in brain mapping and brain networks are extremely important, as well as studying them in micro-G environment. Currently, we intend to study neurostem cell in micro-G, in parabolic flight, and in buoyancy provided by the water. This fundamental scientific research will not be fruitful if no collaboration is made between us with other parties such as SBMT, European Space Agency, NASA, IEE, and Human Brain Project. Our understanding in functional aspect of the brain is currently limited and slow in its progress. Obviously, new technology need to be created, new concept must be explored, and research collaboration would be an ideal one. In relation to this, Malaysia government has initiated Academy of Science Malaysia, ASM, to be the think tank of the nation matters related to science, engineering, technology, and innovation. ASM functions are to promote and foster the development of science, engineering, and technology, to promote national awareness, understanding, and appreciation of the role of science, engineering, technology in human progress, and to promote creativity. Currently, our three major research projects are related to road traffic head injury and brainwave. Road traffic head injury is our fourth cause of mortality and among the top list in many other countries. Traumatic brain injury, or TBI, is basically an epidemic problem in Malaysia and worldwide. Our first project, led by Professor Jeffrey, studying predictive biomarkers and the assessment of biopsychosocial aspects of patients and their caregivers. The objective of the study is to understand neuroplasticity reconfiguration as well as social cognition impact following traumatic brain injury. Our second project focuses more on the therapeutic aspect of head injury. The aim of this research is to innovate a new brain cooling system with temperature control. This research is the second phase of our study related to brain cooling. It is a continuum of a recently published scientific paper on beneficial aspect of direct brain cooling and multimodality monitoring in head injury. Our last project is to study human brain wave, trying to decoding the brain wave. In order to do so, we have to innovate a single and convenient EEG system which can be used in daily basis, even at home, office, and everywhere. The machine can also act as a screening or monitoring brainwave tool to detect earlier the non-healthy or worsening physical or mental condition of patients or healthy subjects. Finally, here I would like to present some current works related to brain mapping and therapeutics in our center. Project number 1, something to do with the brain atlas. Number 2 is research on white matter tracks or diffusion tensor imaging. Project 3 is brain cooling and multimodality monitoring in head injury. Number 4 is human brain mapping under awake surgery and mapping data obtained from neuroimaging such as magnetoencephalography and functional MRI. And number 5 is the laboratory works pertaining to brain mapping and therapeutic with special collaboration with well-known neuro institute worldwide. In conclusions, SBMT Malaysia seems as a potential collaboration in advancing knowledge in neuroscience. And second, those collaborations are currently focused on traumatic brain injury and decoding the brainwave. It is crucial for us to decode the meaning of brainwave and study their networks in order to have their better understanding in brain functions and therefore create the opportunities in therapy. That's all. Thank you very much for your attention.